In this video, we're looking at the best DeFi tokens for 2026, yield, trading, smart money plays, all that. We're covering it. I mean, DeFi is no longer an experiment. It's really the most powerful and important tool in a world where we're moving closer to really a technocracy where we are under full surveillance and control. Today, we're looking at some of these tokens, right, based on protocol analysis, on-chain data, institutional capital flows, real usage metrics. You'll also discover where you can buy these tokens, right? If you want to get started with any of them, the links are in the description. Let's get it going, right? So why DeFi is the highest value crypto sector? I think phase one was kind of experimental, basic lending, swapping, yield farming. That was kind of 2019, 2020, 2020 to 2022. We saw that speculation phase with liquidity mining, hyperinflation, short-term farming cycles, right? And phase three, I think 24 to 26, we're going to see real financial infrastructure, which we've already started to see, institutional grade derivatives, stablecoin settlement, tokenized assets, and also professional trading systems. And I think when you look at DeFi today, it's powering on-chain futures, perpetual markets, decentralized stablecoin issuance, permissionless lending and borrowing, as well as yield-bearing synthetic instruments and tokenized real-world assets, as well as algorithmic market making and cross-chain liquidity. So today, let's dive right into the kind of reasons why I think when DeFi and TradeFi can converge, we're going to see something really amazing, from tokenized US treasuries, on-chain money markets, institutional derivatives. A lot of this information you can find on our main site, so go check it out. And the link to the full review and the full article is also in the description, so check it out. So we're seeing all of these technologies really create that deep on-chain liquidity, massive trading volume growth. I mean, we've seen Hyperliquid really surpass Coinbase, and who would ever thought, right? I mean, at the end of the day, we're looking at these tokens really based, like I said, on protocol revenue, sustained trading volume, total logged, which is TVL, and also the token incentive alignment and institutional adoption, as well as on-chain user activity and exchange liquidity and derivatives availability, right? So that you guys really are in it for the long. Let's get started. Hyperliquid, Hype is the token ticker, perpetual DEX, decentralized futures, focus. MEX is where you can trade it best. Links are in the description, right? So you can get some rebates and fee discounts and bonuses as well. Aave, a lending token that's been around for a long time, really one of the biggest DeFi credit markets. You can trade it on Binance and so many other platforms. Uniswap, a DEX liquidity swap platform. You can trade it on many other platforms like Binance as well. GMX has been around, perps, on-chain leveraging. Okay, one of the first ones to really get into this kind of space. You can trade it on GMX or MEXC, dYdX, derivatives, professional trading platform. You can trade the token on an OKX, Pendle, which is a yield tokenization platform. You can trade the token on Bybit, Aave for stablecoins and liquidity routing. You can trade that one on Binance and many other major exchanges. Lido, LDO is the token ticker, liquid staking, ETH staking on Gate. You can trade this token, Synthetix, derivatives, synthetic assets, BitGet, Sky. Used to be Maker, now you really decentralized money. You can trade it on HTX and so many other platforms, right? So why do some of these tokens really kind of make up the top of the list? If you think about Hyperliquid, for example, is really coming with ultra low latency, professional grade UI, deep liquidity, zero gas, dominating really because the on-chain derivatives volume is really exploding. I think the bull case for a token like Hype is really good, up to the $140 mark. I would say Aave, kind of the same thing, has been around, tried and tested. I think a bull case scenario, you could see Aave run up to like $900 or something like that. A token like Uniswap, I think, could really hit 70 plus, and I think GMX and things like that. In a bull case, you might even see these tokens go to 300 and things like that. So if you really want to check out the full predictive analysis, it's also in the link in the description to the main article on our site. And all the exchanges are all there, so you can get started, get the best rebates, the low fees, and also get some exclusive bonuses with our official affiliate links. These are the best DeFi tokens to get into in 2026. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace.